Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to show you how to log in into the Curseforge so that you can access all of your favorite modes and add-ons for games like Minecraft. So without any delay, let's just get started. You can access any of the browser for that or even have the launcher of Curseforge for that. I'm just going to use the browser. So type in Curseforge, hit enter. And once you do, you will be taken to the official site. Go ahead and access it. Go to the curseforge.com and this is the site available here. Now, if you'd like to log in, it is pretty easy. You can easily find the login option in the top right corner. You can select it. And when you select it, you will be taken to the login page. So here you will be prompted to choose a login method. You can use Google, Discord, GitHub, Twitch, anything, etc. If you do not have an account yet, you can select this option, create an account. But if you want to log in, you just need to select one of the methods available here. So I'm just going to use Google. You can also do so. Click on this option of login with Google. And then just go over and select your Google account and just go over and give the necessary permissions. Now you just need to confirm that. You need to continue. Click on continue. And when you do, you will be taken to this page. You need to have an account created for that. Then continue and confirm that you would like to give the access, and it will confirm that they will access your profile information, email address, etc. Confirm and sign up. And after you do so, your account will be here. So you can just go over and do so. And there we go. Now your profile is available in the top right corner, which means you are already logged in. Now from here, you can just go over and download the extensions that you prefer. You are logged into Curseforge and ready to install the mods. If this video helped, you can hit the like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching this video.